Second right there. You ready? Do the flip. Go ahead. You got 3 bolts over there.
Yep, I do.
You ready? Let's see how she goes. So if you'd be so kind to unlatch the hood there. That works like a champ. So all this tape that you see, we put this on for protection as far as the stainless is concerned. You know, it's all nicely polished and looking good. So we do this just to protect it while we're installing the convertible top and anything else that has to do with that piece of it. And then we can latch it back down. That. Latch it down. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Take the rest of this off of here. And then I'll latch it down like that. And there you go.